guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. I know that some of you are subscribers and some of you aren't, but you can take this time to subscribe if you want. Don't forget to like this video if you are enjoying my hair videos. Otherwise, comment below and just let me know what you want to see next, and then I will do that, and that might be something that you like. Anyway, I am so excited to be doing this video because, as you may know from my previous video, I wasn't really that happy with the colour. Now, as that pink colour washed out, it was very vibrant pink, especially out in the sun. But yeah, look at how the colour has washed out from my actual root area where I bleached. And there are some very light pinky peach areas, obviously where I've accidentally bleached. But what I'm going to do today is use lipstick by Lime Crime again. I love this colour. This is the colour I went when I went from green to red. And it looks pink on the box, but it really is more of a deeper red once I put it on my hair. And I do have a couple of crazy colours here, which I'm just going to use up, but they won't make much of a difference. And of course, I'm not bleaching because I want to give my hair a break, and I really don't need to. I'm not changing the colour. This is my natural hair, and it's looking so frizzy because I've shampooed it only and not conditioned or put anything in it, and I've just let it air dry. So that's why it looks so dry and crispy. So I'm so excited to get some colour on there and be looking good. Let's just section out my hair first. So I'm just going to pour whatever's left of this shade here into my bowl. Ah, far out. Nice. Isn't that colour absolutely stunning? I'm going to get it everywhere on my bath. This is the little lipstick colour. So I'm just going to pop on that Bordeaux colour just around like the borders and see how far it gets me. So I managed to get most of my roots from those two bottles, and the reason I'm doing that is because I know I'm not going to have enough of that lipstick shade. Okay, I know from experience. I'm going to sploosh my lipstick colour into my bowl, and I'll finish the front. And the reason I like to do the front first is so that if I do run out of product, it won't matter as much, hopefully, because I'll have done the main part. have absolutely saturated my hair, guys. I had enough left over that I could go through each section again and really massage the colour in and then just get it everywhere. So I'm so stoked. I had a little bit of those other dyes left over just so that I would be able to do that. So I'm so excited to see how it turns out. Hopefully it's like nice and even now. Fingers crossed. So I'm just going to leave it in for about an hour, because think about it, I've already practically had it in for like half an hour to an hour anyway. So I'll just leave the colour in for another hour, then I'll wash it out. Obviously you're not meant to shampoo it out because that's just going to take the colour straight off. So I'll wash it out as much as possible. And just so you know, if you want to try the lime crime dyes, they're not going to like wash clear straight away. Sorry, it's so bright in here I can hardly concentrate. You've got to make sure that you're washing your hair with cold water, as cold as you can go. I'm a bit of a baby, so I can't go that cold in the shower. And then I will make sure that I deep condition the ends really, really well. And then I might get Nick to actually buzz some off. That'll be fun. I hate it when I see a spot that's not coloured. Yeah, so I will check back in once my hair is actually styled. Alright guys, so here is my hair actually styled. Have a look at this. I love it. It looks quite soft, although it is a little bit dry, but I'll need to just, you know, keep doing more treatments. That's all you can do really. But I love the look. I really love this overall colour. It's very, very sexy, this colour. Now, it will wash out to be quite light, but I'm really glad I did the darker colour on the top. It kind of gives more of a stretched out root. I don't know, is that what they call it? But because my roots are quite dark, it kind of stretches them out a bit, creates a shadow and creates dimension. I mean, it sucks a bit that like my hair down here is very dark, but I'd have to bleach that out and I'm just not willing to do that. So that's just how it's going to be. I really love this hair and how it turned out. You know, I wasn't happy with the pink hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed another hair video from me. If you have any requests, you know to leave them in the comment section. If you have any comments, also put them in the comment section because that would be a nice spot for them. Hope you have an awesome week ahead and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.